In this tutorial, we are going to write a first code and start exploring what we can do in Python. So let's get started. So we left at PyCharm. Now it's downloaded and I'll start it. You can select the theme that you like. I like this black one, so I'll go next. Then just start using PyCharm. Don't do anything. So PyCharm is basically where you are gonna write your code. So this is an IDE. So you need to do just click. You need to click this, create new project. Then you need to give it a name. I'll give it first git create. You can select wherever you want to save. So I'll just click. After this, just click close. Now what you have to do, you just need to go and click the file at the left corner of your screen. Just click new and just click the Python file and name it to anything. I'll give it first code. That's it. So now we're gonna start writing something. So let's start. I'm gonna write this first code, print. So I want to execute this line of code. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just gonna click run. So now it is asking me what should I choose. So I'm just gonna click on this FC, that is our file, and right here you see this is what we wrote. So basically what is happening here, I'm telling Python to print whatever is written in these brackets, so we can have a little bit of fun here. So let's draw something. We can also draw something in Python. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna write this print statement and I'm just gonna copy it. Lots of time. I'm gonna make this I'm gonna make a triangle. So let's see what I can do. Yeah, this. So now I'm just gonna click run again. So let's see what's gonna happen now. First it will execute hello world, then it's gonna draw the shape. So I want you all to try this and let me know in the comment section below.